Since January, it's been quite a frustrating time really to pick up the injury and then have the delay that I did with it. It was difficult, and it led to me missing the Israel game. So it's nice to be back involved in such a big game, and back seeing the lads, because it's been a while. A huge game to really look forward to, and a game that you start playing football for, and one you hope to be involved in. So wherever you look on the pitch, they've got talented individuals, and I think physically as well, they're difficult to deal with. But I think we've shown out in Belgium that we can cope. We had to defend for long periods of time, and kept a clean sheet, which I thought we deserved on the night. And with the players we've got up front, if we can do that again, we always give ourselves a chance to win a game. I don't think it could have gone much better. Probably personally and as a squad, I think we've got a lot of players that play at the highest level in the respective countries, and I think that's shown through the campaign. With the quality that we've got in the squad and the work that all the staff are doing, it's paying off, and we're in a great position halfway through. I'm just looking forward to being involved in such a big game against great opposition and great individuals. It was the reason why I chose to come and play international football, to get that experience, and it's something I'm really enjoying, and I'm hopefully proving that I can play at this level, and hopefully I can do that again on Friday. I think the result on Friday, we won't qualify, or we won't fail to qualify regardless of the result. But I think if we can take a positive, it is a big step in the direction that we want to get to.